Hello, children, how are you? Hope you are staying home and are safe. Welcome to class 5. What do you see on the screen, my children? Yes, this is our Earth's surface. As you can see, most of it is water, and only a part of it is actually a land. Now, if you notice, among all this land, you will see they are in different fragments, that is, parts. These different fragments are actually called continents. The blue parts are known as oceans. 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Then how many percent of Earth's surface is covered by land, children? Yes, it is 29%. Yes, dear children, today we will learn the first chapter in EVS, that is continents and oceans. The land surface has mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, forest, desert, and islands. The water surface has oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. As I said before, the landmass, that is Earth's surface covered with land, is divided into continents. The question will arise in your mind, what is continents? The continent is a very large area of land. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. The 7 continents in order of size are: first, Asia, the largest continent; Africa, then the third is North America; fourth is South America; fifth is Antarctica; sixth is Europe; seventh is Australia. Now let's go back and revise and number the continent according to their size: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Now you got to know now how it is placed according to the size. Children, please remember that, their order also. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. The continental land masses are concentrated more in the northern hemisphere than in the southern hemisphere. Now, do you know, children, how you will come to know which is northern hemisphere and which is southern hemisphere? Now, let us see. On the screen, the line shows the equator. Above the equator is the northern hemisphere, and below the equator is the southern hemisphere. Now let us see what continents lies in which hemisphere. Asia, Europe, North America, northern part of Africa, a small part of South America are situated in northern hemisphere. Now let us see what lies in the southern hemisphere. Part of Africa, most part of South America, entire part of Antarctica and Australia lie in the southern hemisphere. Now, for today, let us revise what we have learned so far. First, 29% of the Earth's surface is covered with land and 71% by water. The seven continents in order of size are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. Asia, Europe and North America lie almost completely in the northern hemisphere. Antarctica and Australia lie completely in the southern hemisphere. I hope you understood this much. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.